Baliw, wala kang kwenta. Nakakadiri ka. It was a mental and psychological disorder. So from that very fact, I know may tawag sa amin dyan noong unang panahon, closet, ayaw lumabas sa katotohanan.
Again, what advice would you give to young LGBTQ plus individuals who may be struggling with self-acceptance?
The question, of course, is very personal, and I don't want to make anything which is sugarcoating. So I'll go with the very personal answer, of course. Self-esteem can be molded in the very first stand at home. If your parents definitely have molded you to be someone who is confident, then regardless of what the people will say, it's a different idea of me. I know every one of you most because I've been in the pageant for almost 38 years. I started when I was 13. If I'm not mistaken, I'm not good in numbers. Tatay ko, sundalo, ayaw. He doesn't want. Nasa langit na siya, pero it's okay. Sabi niya, lagi akong mas malala. Because in year 1970s, 1975 ako pinanganak, kapag nakakita ng bakla, baliw, wala kang kwenta. Nakakadiri ka. It was a mental and psychological disorder. So from that very fact, I know may tawag sa amin dyan noong unang panahon, closet, ayaw lumabas sa katotohanan. The very fact itself that you breathe, the very fact itself, dear young Rainbow community member, the very fact itself that you got and fortunate enough, di ka pinalaglag, one thing, you have to be gratitude and gratify and be grateful. Be thankful in everything. Harapan nyo ngayon paulit-ulit nga Lagi nga nababash ako Yan lagi sinasabi, ibang kwento ng buhay ko, kaya paulit-ulit akong sumasampa sa entablado. Wala akong pakialam kung may mas
If you still think a tablet is just a bigger phone, this one might change your mind.
I know it sounds too good to be true, but that's exactly what Huawei is offering with their new Huawei MatePad 11.5 2025. And it also
mas maganda, hindi yun hindi nyo madidiktahan ang puso, di ba't maraming nababaliw na matatalino dahil sa pag-ibig. Ito ang pag-ibig ko, ang pag-akyat sa entablado. So, I don't mind or I don't care, little child of the rainbow, bakla ka man tomboy, wala. Ang pinakamahalaga ngayon, one thing is for sure, kapag may bakla o anak kang tomboy sa loob ng iyong pamilya, maniwala ka, magjojowa pero kailanman hindi iiwan ng mga magulang at mananatili sa loob ng kanilang tahanan. And here, standing in front of you, paulit-ulit kong sinasabi because this is an inspirational story. I'm not here to brag.